Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix login loop error on Epic Games. So let's get started. At first, let's try login in. So let's get into this profile icon over here. And here, when we enter our details and continue, we'll be able to see this same option again and again. So to solve this, let's get into File Explorer. And at the top over here, let's search for local app data and make sure you enclose it with %sign. And simply enter. Now we need to get into Epic Games Launcher over here. So let's tap on this and click on Save. And here's the wave cache over here. Simply tap on this and you'll be able to see this cache option. Simply click on this and right click, and we can see this delete option. Simply tap on this to delete it. So after this, the cache will be cleared from our Epic Games Launcher. And after this, if the problem is not yet solved, you can try restarting your device, and you can also try reinstalling Epic Games Launcher app. So that is all we can do. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.